Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making Hiya-Yakko. Hiya-Yakko is cold tofu appetizer, perfect for a hot summer day. It's easy to make and delicious and healthy. Since tofu has no distinct taste, there are so many ways to enjoy. Let's get started. There are three types of tofu we eat regularly. Firm tofu has firmer and rough texture. Silken tofu has silky texture. Smooth tofu has melting texture designed to eat as it is. It's totally up to you which tofu to choose. Let's start with Scallion&Ginger. Our all-time favorite, Scallion&Ginger. I can't recall how many times I eat the combination in my life. Start from this super popular combination. I choose silken tofu for this. You can choose a firm or smooth as well. Sprinkle chopped scallion over tofu. Place a spoonful of grated ginger and bonito flakes. Top with thinly sliced sesame leaves if you have it on your hand. Drizzle regular soy sauce as much as you want, and it's done. We store chopped scallion and sesame leaves in a small container all the time, so you can enjoy Hiya-Yakko whenever you want. Next, tomato and olive oil. Here's an Italian twist to smooth tofu. Smooth tofu has a similar texture to fresh Italian cheese ricotta. This combination is what I called vegetarian caprese. Chop a ripe tomato into small dice, mix in a pinch of salt and squeeze of lemon. Add in tablespoon of olive oil and chopped sesame leaves. Sesame leaves are often called Japanese basil. Spoon the fresh tomato sauce over smooth tofu, and there you have it. It tastes so refreshing. And next, okra and natto. Here comes a never, that means sticky plus sticky combination. This is my first time introducing natto, the famous Japanese stinky fermented soybeans. I was worried about how you guys feel about the natto. Some people hate and some people love it. Even among the Japanese, there are anti-natto people. Mixed with chopped okra makes natto extra sticky and healthier than ever. Natto improves your blood circulation, and probiotics create a good gut flora. Vitamin K contributes to stronger bones. Okra has antioxidants, dietary fiber, and lower the blood sugar. How can it be more healthy? Place the mixture on top, sprinkle nori for the final touch. There you have the healthiest Hiya-Yakko. Next, chili oil and garlic chives. Here comes a spicy but not too spicy version of Hiya-Yakko. Chili oil with chopped ingredients has become popular several years ago. It's easy to make and keeps well in the fridge. You can make ahead of time and spoon it over anytime you crave for. Turn the heat to low, cook until the garlic turns light brown. Meanwhile, put chili pepper, paprika, salt, sugar and chicken bouillon powder in a small bowl. Add in hot oil and mix well. Leave it until it comes to room temperature. Add in sesame oil, dried shrimp, chopped peanut. And the chili oil is done. Break your firm tofu with your fingers into bite size and pile them up in a small bowl. Sprinkle your garlic chives, spoon your chili oil, and good to go. If you like spicy food, replace paprika with chili powder. Lastly, I am going to show you the easiest one. Sprinkle Kombu cap on silken tofu and drizzle sesame oil. That's it! couldn't be easier. This is the food when my family comes home starving. You can prepare it literally in a minute. Which one would you like to try? Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Tap the bell icon to be the first one to know my video is updated. For more information, go to my website princessbamboo.com. And please follow me on my social media to connect one another. You can send me your food photograph easily. Lastly, if you are wondering what I am using in the video, go and check my store on Amazon. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!